Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you an activity that may be the easiest that we've done in the channel and one of the games that we like the most. You'll be able to work on attention, visual perception, fine motor skills, coordination and orientation. You'll see how easy it is to do it and how many activities you can do with it. Today we make a manipulative game with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. We just need some popsicle sticks, some tempera, a paintbrush and Velcro. So you can see I found these popsicle sticks that are a little bit bigger than normal and we love them for this activity. You can also find them already colored, but since ours were just this wood color, we decided to paint them. Besides, this way we could choose the colors that we like the most. You can make as many as you want, but in our case we're going to make 8, 2 of each color. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any video. You already know that we upload 2 videos a week, one in English and one in Spanish. And when they've dried, which happens pretty fast because it's wood, we're going to start putting the Velcro. So you can see we're going to put the soft part on top and this other part at the bottom. We're also going to put Velcro on the other side. And now we can just give them to the kids to explore. They can build a lot of things. The more sticks you give them, the more things they can build. They can also be used for sorting and counting, but building shapes is the most fun. And also with Velcro they can move, and this totally gets their attention. And the idea that we wanted to give you today is that you use this material to teach the letters to your kids. You'll see how easy it is. We're simply going to assemble the letters in this way, and we're going to take pictures. If you want to skip this step, we have left the whole alphabet available to download on our website. You have the link in the description of this video. Then you can just print it out, cut out the individual cards if you want, or show them the poster with all the letters and ask them to build them. And you can also use this material to make patterns and series. Check it out! And you can also draw them like this. What do you think of this idea? It's very easy, isn't it? Well, and before we go, as every week, we have to do our round of greetings. This week we send a very special greeting to Noemi, another one to Julia, another one to Nara Agostina, another one to Nicole, another to Michelle, and last but not least, another one to Camila. Thank you all so much for commenting and asking for a greeting. Remember that if you want one too, you can just let us know in the comments. And you can also tell us what other videos you want to see on our channel. See you next week with a new idea. And remember, this one is already available in Spanish in our channel. Bye!